Shwmai pawb. I'm Gethin Hughes and I'm the Chief Operating Officer at Chwm Morgannwg University Health Board. I'm delighted to be here today speaking to you about the fantastic progress made by the Health Board's Change Community of Practice in partnership with the University of South Wales's Intensive Learning Academy for Leading Digital Transformation. Starting back in September 2021, the Change Community of Practice has hosted sessions on project management versus business as usual, benefits realisation, principles of agile, risk management, and many more. These sessions have been based on your feedback as employees within the organisation, letting the team know what areas you would like to focus on building your skills within. As an organisation, we are committed to providing you with the tools and techniques to encourage your ongoing professional development to help the patients and communities we serve.
I think the community of practice has been so successful because of the excellent partnership between USW and CTM, but also because the sessions that we've put on to date have had maximal benefits but minimal organisational impact because they've been lunchtime sessions. People have really enjoyed them and people have really engaged with the sessions. I think that's one of the key reasons why it's been successful.
So we want people to share their best practice, their lessons learned, how they may go about things in a project capacity and a programme capacity. We also want people to network and engage. We want people across the organisation to make contacts. We want people to really mix from different sort of areas, so operational, clinical, corporate. We really wanted to have that mix.
It is a great privilege to say that as of October, we have 381 employees registered to our virtual hub through the Change Community of Practice. Hosted by our key partners, the University of South Wales, the virtual hub allows you to access previous session recordings and session materials to help you develop your skills and confidence in a number of different areas. If you haven't already, I would highly recommend registering. Registration is free and you can access the joining link by contacting the team at the university.
Some of the key benefits are the opportunity to have informal learning, to understand the processes of project management, benefits, risk assessments, and understanding how a project runs from sort of A to Z.
The Change Community of Practice also plays a crucial role in developing our Health Board's 2030 strategy for our health and our future, particularly in helping build the capacity and capability of the organisation. However, this is only one example of how the organisation can support you in your ongoing professional development. The University of South Wales have a number of short courses that they provide that are free of charge to employees at CTM. You can access these on the University of South Wales website under the short courses section. These include learning lunches on our digital world, managing risk, growth mindset, and creating and leading high-performing teams.
One of the key ambitions of the Intensive Learning Academy for Leading Digital Transformation is around fostering cultures of creativity, innovation and curiosity. And we hope that by working with the Change Community of Practice, we can support the workforce to develop skills, both now and in the future, for leadership and leading transformation.
Additionally, you can access the management leadership courses that are hosted by our learning and development partners within the Health Board, including the Ignite, Aspire and Inspire programmes that help build professional capabilities within management and leadership practice. I'm very excited to see where the Change Community of Practice goes over the next few months, and it would be great to have your involvement within the community. Chwm Morgannwg is committed to ensuring that everyone's voice is heard and that everyone has the chance to have a strategic steer on what topics and areas are covered in the learning lunch sessions hosted on Microsoft Teams. The Change Hub are keen to hear from you, so please take the opportunity to tell us what you would like to see in the future. Diolch.